Today, I'm gonna teach you how to create a thank you page. First, go to the left side and then click this create and then choose websites. You can actually choose PDF format, but in this case, we're gonna use website. So as you can see here, you can adjust the length of this canvas. So now we're gonna type first the word thank you. Thank you for your purchase. You can design it as well. Kayo bahala sa gusto nyong font. Okay. Let's say we're gonna choose this. If you like, you can add some background color. And then you might want to change also the color. After this, thank you for your purchase, you can also include a text that says something like a personal message. This is just a sample. You can create your own personalized message for your customers. Then go to elements, search for buttons, or if you like, just go to the graphics for more options about the kind of buttons that you're gonna choose. Okay. Let's not choose this kind of button, but maybe we can specify rectangle buttons or oblong, something like that. Website buttons. Ayan. So it's up to you, but I would suggest that you make the buttons more eye-catching. Sabihin natin pink because I'm currently using the pink style for my own thank you page. We want our button to be color light. Okay. Or if you like, you can just feel free to search to the shapes. Just choose this one para marami kang flexibility when it comes to your button. You can change its color. Ayan. And then, ita-type mo dito kung ano ba yung product mo. Okay, let's add a text. Let's say your product is a storybook, or let's say coloring pages, PDF. Ayan, PDF. Or pwede naman wala ito. Kung iisang format lang yung product ninyo, you can just specify the name of the product. Ayan. Or click here, coloring pages. Pwede rin. Or masyadong mahaba, coloring pages na lang. Ayan. Then it's up to you if you want to change the font. Para medyo kikay siya. So, I made it white instead of black. Now, let's say we only have one button right here. And we go to our digital product kasi ang purpose ng thank you page is for our customers to have access sa ating digital products. Okay. So, example lang natin muna itong file na to. Hindi naman siya totoong coloring pages pero sige. Let's just use this example, okay? For the sake of showing you how our link works, okay? So, ay, sorry. So, we're not gonna copy right here. So, ang gagawin mo, para makopy yung link ng product mo if ever you're sharing via Canva link, go to share and then go to template link and then create template link, then copy it. And then go back again sa coloring pages. So, at this point, we will insert a link in this coloring pages button. So, right-click, choose the option link. Ayan. And then, i-paste mo na ngayon yung link na kinopy mo. Yung template link na kinopy mo earlier. Okay. And click done. So, once you're done, as you can see, may na-add na underline dito sa ating text. So, to check if the link works, just click that text and then click this one. So, when you click this one, this is what your customers will see. Okay. So, that means that your link is working. So, after placing your button, pwede ka maglagay ng, let's say, discount code. Okay. But before that, you have to make or generate a discount code first. Let's say, magbibenta ka sa Rocket PH or sa Gumroad or what. So, kung saan mang platform yan, you have to generate your own codes first before tayo mag-proceed dito sa thank you page. Kasi this placing a code will really encourage customers to really return as a I mean, magiging return customers mo sila for 20% off. Okay? Big emphasis dito sa ating promo code para yun, maging return customer natin sila. So, product on your next purchase. Ayan. And then, you can also place your social media link or the link to your shop. Ganyan. You can also have the opportunity to place that. Actually, there's no limit on how many links you can place inside this thank you page. Yun ang kagandahan niya kasi it keeps your files organized, and at the same time, you can also have the opportunity to promote your own shop. Okay? So, at this Rocket PH shop text, we will gonna insert a link. So, ang gagawin natin is right-click ulit. I mean, by the way, bago natin gawin yan, punta muna tayo dito sa ating Rocket PH shop kasi this is the link that we want to place in here. Okay, link, and then i-paste mo siya. And then yan, meron na siyang underline. It means lalagyan na siya ng link. So, in case naman that you want this text to be changed, kahit na may link na siya, let's say, Let's say, aalisin mo tong word na shop. Ayan. I-click mo lang yung, di ba inedit mo na siya, i-click mo lang yung done. Don't forget to click this done. Ayan. So that, ayan, mag-reflect siya sa text. But the link is still working. Okay? So that's how you edit the text while the link is still there. Okay? So that's it. You can do the same thing with, you can duplicate this one by clicking Alt plus Shift and then drag it down para pantay sila. And then edit the text. In this case, I want to place my SOCMED account, YouTube, and then click done. And also, I want to copy paste this one. And I also want to edit the link and then done. So that's it. I have my shop and my social media dito sa babang part. In case naman na bundle yung, let's say bundle yung gusto mong ibenta, pwede pa tayo magdagdag ng another button. There's no limit in really adding button, ganun. And if you think it's crowded, just adjust yung rectangular bottom here. Ayan.